Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an e-key teleportation system, and it's going to be super easy to follow. Alright, let's jump into Roblox Studio. Add two parts to your workspace. You can change their colors, or give them a cool design to make them stand out. Name the first part for part 1, and the second part for part 2. Next, we're going to add the proximity prompt to both of our parts. We're going to create a script inside the part. Now we are writing the script. Go out of the script and repeat the process again. We're going to add the proximity prompt, then a script inside the part 2. After you are done with the script, go out and change hold duration on the proximity prompt. This is optional. Change it to what you like. And now we are done. Let's test it out. It works as it should.